Karachi is the biggest and financial hub city of Pakistan. International flights for business arrive every day. The port of Karachi is one of South Asia's largest and busiest deep-water seaport. Karachi supplies all goods to all over Pakistan by various transportation. Karachi has the biggest wholesale market like Jodia Baazar, Bolton Market, Empress Market, Sadar Market, etc., where trading happens in trillions, and these markets shops are worth billions. Earlier, their worth was in pennies. Due to the old construction, these markets has no infrastructure, tiny street where people cannot even walk, security issues, road broken, load shedding and no safety for fire explosion. Parking issue, even businesswomen cannot go there for purchasing. Considering all these problems, California Real Estate and Builders brought to you the state-of-the-art wholesale market in Bahria Town Karachi, BTK Wholesale Bazar. For sole wholesalers with all amenities, wide and clean corridors for people to move around, parking lots, modern security for you and your business, cargo lift, online order facilities with high-tech tracking system, where you can deliver products around the world to your customers. BTK Wholesale Bazar. We offer all types of wholesale products, including toys, decorations, mirror, handicraft, photo frame, home decor item, clock, gift bag, kitchen utensils, electronics appliances, hardware tool, bicycle, outdoor product, sports good, stationery, beauty product, etc. Those living in Sindh and the surrounding areas of Bahria Town Karachi will not have to go all the way to crowded and congested Bolton Market and Jodia Baazar, whereas the modern and secure wholesale market is located on the loop road of Precinct 4 in Bahria Town Karachi. Now, you can get your shop in this ground plus 2 stories, BTK Wholesale Bazar, with the minimum prices, as Bahria Town Karachi will be the hub of business. Presently, 45,000 families living in Bahria Town Karachi. By 2024 it will cross 2 lakhs families, which mean, you will get ROI more than expected. Invest today, for tomorrow. Modern Karachi. Don't miss this marvelous investment opportunity in Bahria Town Karachi with California Real Estate and Builders. Book your shop now.